Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be talking about Tropical Storm Ida, which is now over land weakening, and now Tropical Storm Kate. And now we've got that wave which has been upgraded to a 60% chance of formation in the next 2 days. And in the next 5 days they've upgraded it to an 80% chance, which actually kind of looks pretty good. The center is it's displaced in with some convective cloud tops. It's just off the coast, but tropical wave. What can go wrong? Obviously. Yes, we've got another tropical wave in the East Pack. Yes, we've got another tropical wave in the East Pack. No, not in the East Pack. In the Caribbean, and obviously this one's meant to be doing this. I'm going to the Gulf, but you don't know because it could do what Grace did. Come from here, do that, and do that, or it could do what Ida did, do that, go over the Yucatan, and really explode in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. But most of the models aren't picking up on this system yet. But if some of them do, it's only going to be a weak Gulf storm and make landfall in Mexico, or where Hana hit last year, which was there. So, yeah, obviously this wave, this one's meant to move out towards sea. This one's meant to go like that, out towards sea. It's meant to carry on moving west and then go north like that. GFS wants this one turning more sooner, so like that. But the European model wants it doing like that and then turning. A bit like what Teddy did last year. But Teddy went like that and impacted the islands. Gave these islands some swells. But came from the MDR and she did that. Or it went like this. Went like that. That's what it did. So obviously it was a Cat 2 at this point. It was a Cat 3. Cat 4, Cat 2, Cat 1, Cat 1, and it's became extratropical. And then obviously this system here, they are giving it a 20% chance of formation. It had no designated low yet, but they have marked that for the next 5 days. So anyway, looking at Ida's cone of uncertainty right now, it is over Mississippi, so do expect some borders. And actually this did make 2 landfalls. It made landfall there and it came out towards the sea and went like that. So it actually made 2 landfalls, so it went like this and went out towards the sea, which was actually kind of rare because you don't see a storm move west over land and then move back over sea for half an hour towards a couple of hours. It did intensify though, as obviously the wind field is now detracting to a centre, because obviously wind shear is now picking up for the system. And next advisory, this should, this should be displaced off to the centre. And obviously, it's meant to be a tropical depression by next advisory. It'll stay as a tropical depression until 7 p.m. tomorrow, Eastern Daylight Time. And then Wednesday all the way into Friday, it's meant to be a post-tropical at this point. So, even if it does go back over the Gulf Stream. It won't have a chance of reformation. It might become a subtropical system, which is half tropical and half subtropical. So, a subtropical system is... Wait. I will show you on... So... Okay. I was going to show you... anyway, this one. The Central Pacific is completely dead right now. No storms near Hawaii. Marty is up here in 40 degrees north. Maybe in 50 at least. You barely can see Marty. Actually, Linda, actually. You can still see Linda. You can still see the remnants of Marty. The Atlantic, though, you can actually still kind of see the remnants of, what do you call it, Julian? I only did one update on Julian. East Pac, Nora's overland over Mexico. Here's Nora. Yes, it didn't go overland as a tropical depression. Obviously, it did form down here, formed up here, came like that, and it is going to be delivering some well-needed rain to Arizona, as Arizona has had a drought for the past couple of weeks. So they should happily get this system. Do I expect like a couple of inches of rain falling? Do I expect some flood in Arizona? As from the moisture from Ida and the moisture from Nora combined, then you should get some localized heavy rainfall, flooding, which is better than droughts because, yeah. Anyway, I'll show you tropical tidbits. Right, I'll show you the forecast models. Was Nora right now. Obviously, that's going to move north. Watch. Yeah, it's going to move north over here and become a surface low and deliver some well-needed rain to all these parts, like Arizona here. The whole of California needs some well-needed rain, the whole of these bits here. Because this bit's dry. But after Ida, all this bit here will be wet. Because the flooding and storm surge in Louisiana, Mississippi, that was actually devastating. And then it actually moved like that. I thought it was just going to do that. That's what the advisory said it was going to do. Do that, but actually went like that. Which was actually kind of a weird track. I'm not going to lie. And actually a painful one. This storm was a painful storm. As only here, of it being a Category 2, as soon as it got here, it became a massive Category 4 hurricane. Almost could have became a Cat 5 if it made landfall here. If it made landfall here, it would have thingy. So obviously it was literally just gonna do this. Move westward like that. But then it started to move more eastward. So and actually didn't make landfall. But anyway, I'll show you the models for the Atlantic and the East Pac. See what's going to be on the horizon for the next advisory. Right, so actually, GFS wants this system, this tropical wave, forming by Tuesday. What's this area? And what's this general area here for tropical development, and this area here? Just keep it in watch. As you saw, See, there's a little bit of vorticity here in the southern Caribbean. That's our next system. Obviously, they want to name the storm now here. Obviously, you've got another system here, which is obviously X-Kate. And obviously, they want this system to be a 984 millibar hurricane. And they actually want this to turn out more north like that. But in the European wants it turning out like that. Maybe impacting some of these islands up here. We don't really know. Just depends how the high pressure ridge is. If the high pressure ridge is strong, it will do that. The high pressure ridge is a medium ridge. It will possibly do this. If it's a weak ridge, it will do that. But if it's a very, very weak ridge, the storms will just do that. And just stay weak. It's like this. Also, this actually kind of looks like a weak ridge. So, yeah, it did do that. So, that's this general path that it's moving in. Actually got it right, actually, for a change. It's actually meant to blow up in intensity as it moves up here. Because when it gets down here, actually, no, it actually is meant to blow up here to a category 2, but when it's here, as it does that turn up towards the north, like that, here it starts to weaken due to some vertical wind shear. But as soon as it gets up in this general environment here, conditions get better, and it could actually become a category 2, maybe even the category 3. So we do have another system that actually does kind of want to form on September the 15th. We've got two areas. We've got one in the east, in the MDR, and one in the Caribbean. They will be staying weak for the moment, but the GFS is hinting on them. And this one could actually go like that. We need a storm that actually does this year. We can't just keep having these storms travelling into the Caribbean, which early on in the season that was happening. One, because every single model was hinting of being a weak ridge this year. But actually, this ridge has been quite strong. And actually, tropical Tibet is still indicating it's a tropical depression. But to be honest, it's not a tropical depression right now. It's basically Monday the 30th, yes. And satellite imagery. I don't think they've updated satellite imagery. No, they haven't. So you just have to deal with old imagery for now. But this is what the system looks like, obviously. And, it doesn't really look as good, does it? Because, it's got that heavy wind shear like that coming from out the east. So, that's why it is blown up. That's why it is displacing this convection here, and that's why the wind shear is blown really hard on this system. Luckily, it's not as strong enough to completely dissipate the storm like it did to Julian, but it will be as strong for it to really push these convective cloud tops far away from the center, and that's what it's doing right now. In the latest frames, I'll show you in the latest frames in the color blue. I'll show you with my pen right now. As you can see, here is the circulation. As you can see, the circulation is getting more not as circular. If you look in the latest frames, watch. But look before. So you look, it's going circular, but it starts dissipating. Yeah, it's probably that wind shear taking the toll on this storm. Obviously, you got that wind shear coming from out the southwest and the north. So it's completely destroying the system. So, don't indicate, oh, this is going to become a hurricane. Oh, no, it's not. It's not even going to affect the land whatsoever. And plus, oh yeah, guys, go and subscribe to my friend JJ Plays. He does Minecraft stuff and gaming videos and that. Don't forget to subscribe to him. I'll leave his channel link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Force 13 and Cyclone Tracker Oz as well. So, and don't forget to join my Discord server. I'll also leave the link for that in my description down below. Don't know if it's going to be in this video or next video. But anyway, let's carry on. There won't be any recon in any single storm now. Because there's no storm threatening any land. They did have recon in when Henry formed. No, not Henry. Nora. Yeah, Nora. But anyway, yeah, that's all I've got time for, guys. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, no, yeah, the new update's out. The new update's out. They have update this to a 70% chance of formation. So we could see, so we saw Laura, we saw Anna, Pearl, Claudette, Danny, Elsa, Fred, Grace, Henry, Julian, Kate. Now this could be Larry. And the next wave could be Mindy in the next wave, which most likely will be here. Probably will be Mindy, and if this wave actually becomes strong, I think Mindy sounds like a really cool name, Hurricane Mindy. That's why my profile is Hurricane Mindy on Discord. So go and follow me, Hurricane Mindy 27. Go and follow me on Discord. You can chat to me. You can join my views. You can join my videos as well if you want to. So yeah. Anyway, here's Kate's cone. 45 miles an hour now. Here's its cone. Cemented stairs is 65 miles an hour storm until Saturday. And obviously by Saturday it's probably going to become post-tropical and affect England. It's meant to affect the Azores, England. Maybe as a potential storm. Or maybe as a severe storm. We don't really know. But yeah, anyway, that's all I've got time for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, and have a great day. Ta-ra.